The Windows terminal or PowerShell. It's I don't even know what the fuck's going on. Fragile, to say. And in today's video, I'm gonna be trying to learn this dumb thing. I'm just gonna hope nothing breaks.
Alright, so we are going to be learning the Windows Powershell. So let's go open up PowerShell. Let's wait for it, and here it is. So I've already made like a script thing, I think, or a profile. I'm just gonna call it script for when you type geometry dash. Wait for it. Wait for this here. See that? It'll open up geometry dash. As you can see here, it's geometry dash. Awesome. As you can see here, we have this over here, which is pretty awesome. My computer just lagged for a bit. The way I did this was, so what ChatGPT told me to do is go type in notepad slash profile. It will open up this thingy over here. I don't really know what it does. It basically made this function geometry dash start process geometry dash that's in here, right? And so every time I type in geometry dash, it'll start the process of geometry dash. I personally think it's awesome.
So I decided to use Windows PowerShell for the first time for an intro on a scrap geometry dash video, which was the command I just told you. I thought it was really cool, and so I want to learn how the shit this terminal works. From what I know, it's a command prompt, coding language, and a Windows troubleshooter all in one, which I think is awesome. But there's one problem if you didn't get the hint. I'm bad at Windows PowerShell. I literally used ChatGPT to make a fucking command. And that's bad. So that's why I'm here to learn. So let's get back to the video.
Now what I'm going to be doing here is ask ChatGPT and probably a little bit of Google on how to use PowerShell. Just the simple commands of PowerShell. And so what I want to do with this is a couple things. Let's go get ourselves a notepad. But that way of opening notepad is boring. We can just type in notepad and it'll open in PowerShell. Awesome. It's awesome. So here are a couple things that I'm probably going to try to do. First of all, we want to start a process. Want to start a process while making our own command. End a process, which means just closing an application or something. And making a file with data. So like a notepad file with some data in it. So I'm going to be searching on Google on how to start a process. So here we are, and ooh, AI, let's not do that. So start process file path string, argumentless string. I have no idea what any of these mean, so let's ask our buddy ChatGPT. So let's copy this and see. So this sort.exe, I think, it just sorts something like this over here. Also, ChatGPT somehow remembers the... Yeah, it was for a GD intro idea, but I kind of scrapped it, so yeah, whatever. I think sort is like a command or something, I don't know. Let's try to put this in PowerShell and see what happens. Ooh, if we do it twice, apple, banana, cherry. Oh, so it sorts it from letter. So let's say something like why is that thing red? Am I supposed to be concerned on that? Hold on, let's see. What else? Audacity, comma, OBS, Chrome. And then I add the vertical bar and sort. Oh, that's awesome. That's actually awesome. So that's a simple sort.
If you couldn't tell, I was surprised. I didn't expect for something as simple as sort to actually sort. I thought it was gonna be something way more complex like categorize or something like that.
Now let's try to learn the start process over here. So let's try to see it from this over here. So let's go try and make something from the desktop. All right, let's try to make something like a notepad, or like a text document. Make it like lol.txt. Give it some data with it, like kick, something like kick or something. I want to find a path for it, which is in desktop. Oh, so it's just gonna be in desktop. So since it's only called desktop, we can do something like Start process desktop slash lol.txt. Something like this could work. Oh, I did it. No way. I just fucking did it. Oh, let's go.
I was really happy. My first command I typed on my own. It's crazy. Like, really crazy. The fact I found this out just from some example script is crazy. How many times did I say crazy earlier? Like, what the fuck?
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. So let's try to start that process again. Oh, I know a trick here where if you just press the up command, it'll copy the latest command that you type. Now, I want to end this process. So I'm going to end process. Oh, end process is not recognized as the name of cmdlet. So how do I end a process? Oh, it's called stop process. So it's called stop process. All right. Let's go here. Stop process notepad. Since this is a notepad, right? This is a notepad. So if you do that, not find parameter input object cannot convert notepad to the value of system string. Oh, so maybe I have to type in the file path again? lol.txt. Maybe that could work? Nope, it won't work. Okay, this is a lot of red, so I'm gonna clear it. This is the same thing. Wait, isn't this just the same thing I did? Hold on. What process name notepad? Huh? It worked? Start process lol.txt. So that opens, right? So what did I type in wrong? What did I type in wrong? What does name do? Oh, so it's like some label here. It's like a label. So the name is a notepad. So if we think of, so it thinks like a robot. When I do stop process and say notepad, it'll be confused on what notepad exactly is. But if I add a name, it knows that that it's the name of a process, and so notepad. Let's open Microsoft Learn. This is a lot of stuff here. So this is one of the parameters I want to learn. So that's the name. What about ID? Stop process ID 1234. How do you know what a process ID is? Oh, here's a pro tip he sent to me. I didn't notice. Grab the notepad process, send it to stop process. Get process. Oh, so you can replace this thing here that's pretty dumb and use get process.
So it turns out PowerShell was harder than I thought. I thought the commands were simple as like start app notepad. But nope, there had to be some dumbass parameters.
Okay, I want to add one more thing to notepad. And we want to print in PowerShell. If you don't know what printing is, echoing something that you type into the command console. And here in PowerShell, the command console is, well, the PowerShell itself. So let's see if print works. So no files to print. So print hello world. Unable to initialize device PRN. How do you print something to the PowerShell console? It's called write host and not print. Oh, there's also echo. So I think echo is also in Linux, in the Linux terminal. I don't actually know. Oh, we did it. Can we find the path of a application? So I want to try to find the path of this here, the lol.txt. Let's go try and Google some stuff. So let's use this thing here. I don't know if the AI overview is going to be right or not, but it seems like I have no choice here because I don't really know where. So you can use the get child item. What if you just type only get child item? Ooh, look at that. So you can get child item name, search for lol lol.txt. Will that work? Nope. Oh, so it automatically switched for users, my user, and try to search this because it does not exist. So I think I know which drive it actually is in. Wait, what does the recurse parameter do in PowerShell? Perform operations on items within a specified location. Oh, so if I do something like get child item and then path. Wait, does it need to be in parentheses? Yes, it needs to be in parentheses. So C drive, then we're gonna filter it. I think that's what filter does. I saw it here. Yeah, filter lol.txt and then recurse. Nope, it's denied access to get child item, which has aliases. Get child item or is. Is this I or L? Oh, so some commands have aliases. Oh, so it does work. It does work, but it shows a lot of errors at the start. So the directory is in C user desktop. Oh, so that actually works, but it just shows a lot of errors, and I don't want the errors. So what if I do is? No? GCI? Oh, ls. ls also does that. Does the start, end, and getting processes have any aliases? Oh, so I can use a command like get alias start process. Nope. Oh, and I need to add definition at the start. Get alias. Oh, wait a minute. If I just type in get alias, it just gives it all. Okay, what if we try to rewrite this? Hold on. So clear get alias definition start process. Oh, SAPs or start. What about get alias definition end? Wait, no. Stop process. Ah, shit. I said pro-s, not process. That's sad. Oh, come on. Stop process. What? Get alias definition stop process. Is there just no alias on stop process? Wait, is there any aliases for get alias? So get alias has a definition. So get alias has an alias, dude. So gal definition and process. So end process name notepad. Oh, no. It's supposed to be stop process. All right, so I'm gonna gal definition stop process. Do the capitals matter? Get alias definition stop process. Well, that works. Well, was there any misspells or something? Kill can work. So let's say we saps notepad. All right, now I want to kill notepad. Not bind parameter. Oh, we need to add kill name notepad. All right. So let's saps actually no, we don't even need to use saps. You can just type in notepad. So we'll add a W for everything we've done right. So W. We haven't made a file in data. We have print in PowerShell. So echo. I am an AI robot in PowerShell. Awesome. So that's a W. Find a path. So let's try to make a file with data. How to find a path of a file in PowerShell. So we'll need to learn that first. Oh, so the path needs to have 2 dashes. I only typed it with 1 dash, I think. Okay, hold on. What if we saps c slash desktop slash lol.txt? If we type into path, oh, so saps path c desktop lol.txt? Nope. So there's no parameter that matches parameter name path. But I saw here path. Get child item path. Is the PowerShell case sensitive? Oh, so if I do saps name notepad. Oh, so the parameters are case sensitive. So you do gal path c desktop, which should nope path is not universal. Get items. There an alias for get item. Get alias for. Oh, wait a minute. Definition. Assume get item. I've been using. Wait, no. So it seems like gal is for get alias. So gal definition start process. Oh, okay. And then what about get item? GI. Let's see. GI path C desktop. Cannot find path C desktop because it does not exist. Do I need to add double slashes? No, it can't. So what if I just say desktop? Here it is. What about GI path lol get item name lol.txt and find a path for that. And path. Oh, desktop slash games because I have a games folder. So it'll just show the directory, but I want them to show the directory here. I want them to show the directory by only knowing its name. Or you can use the recursion filter. I wanna understand this. So theoretically, if I type this, will it give me all the things that are inside the games folder that's in my desktop? Yes, it does. What does recurse to? Was partial to search through all subdirectories of the specified path. What is silently continue? Wait, if I just do get process and definition, it will not do anything. So what does error action do? I'm guessing error action is detecting if there is access is denied folder thing. And if it is, it'll silently continue. What does the parameter file do in PowerShell? I keep forgetting to add in PowerShell. Restricts the results to only files, excluding other directories or other system files with the same name. What if it's something like a notepad that I'm trying to find? All right, let's try to understand this. So the GCI path to the C drive. So let's type this in. C drive. And what recurse does is so subdirectories are like the things inside a folder. So all right. I get it. And then recurse filter. And filter is to filter items with the exact file name match. lol.txt. And when it's error, because we don't want it to restrict results to only files. No. Oh yeah, we probably need to add file. Error action silently continue. That's how you spell it, right? Error action silently continue. All right. So if I type it in, so it doesn't get an error. So that means it's searching. Here it is. Oh, I did it. Oh, all right. We wanted to find the cheese song. So you want PowerShell here to find the cheese song that is located in the documents folder. Pretty easy. So let's try to do it on our own without Google. So GCI the path in C drive. Let's scan the whole C drive. Whoops. And it'll recurse, which means check all subdirectories. Filter it with only the cheese song. Oh, there's no caps. The cheese song. Slowed plus reverb. .wave. Make it so it's specifically a file and not any system applications or anything like that. So it'll do error action. Silently continue. So let's wait it. Let's wait it out. Here it is. So it works. It just works. It fucking works. Holy shit. So we did that. Now, want to make a file with data in it. Okay, so we have set content path. Oh, okay. So set content. Let's try to find the aliases for this. So we want to do sc path desktop and then value, and then we'll set it to this. Hello, PowerShell text test. So do that. Well, that's a problem. Access to the path C user desktop is denied. So how do we access the path? Do we need to run this as an administrator? Let's go try it. So now we are an administrator. We are now more powerful. Now, do sc. Wait, this is actually pretty weirder. See this? The text is much different. See that? Much different. It's much different. PowerShell test time. Let's see if it works. System 32 desktop. Oh, so this is much more weird. Maybe we could do it in the terminal? Let's see. I wonder what the difference between the terminal and the PowerShell is. Maybe it's the same, maybe it's not, I don't know.
Well, I'm glad you asked, young me. The core difference is that PowerShell is a command line shell, while the Windows Terminal is a modern host application that can run PowerShell and other shells in a feature-rich, customizable interface. Okay, so if nobody understands that, the PowerShell is just a coding language and the terminal is just a coding language emulator that can run other coding languages. Something like that, I think.
Let's make it hello for simplicity. Up, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hello. Oh shit. It worked. Oh shit. Now I want to delete this file. Kill. And the path. Desktop. /test. Desktop, right? And I will the name of it of test.exe. Oh no. We can't do that. It'll only stop the process because it's in the background. We want it to just immediately delete this txt file. So we'll add another thing to that. Deleting a file and making process file with data. Done. Now we want to delete a file. Remove item. Oh, so we just need to remove item. So let's get the alias for remove item. Remove item. So you can do ri path desktop /test. Wait, did it have any caps? Nope. Good. So test.txt. So if we do that, it's removed. But there's one single question. Is it in the recycle bin? It is not in the recycle bin, so it's fully removed. So that's another W. Now let's see if we can do anything cool with this. I want to know how this somehow works. So function geometry dash, a reusable block of code. Oh, so it basically becomes a block of code. Now where the hell is this even in? Documents, Windows PowerShell. So let's go to Documents, Windows PowerShell. This is a PS1. So ChatGPT made that thing, made the Notepad profile. That's how I know. Also, wait a minute. Before we actually try, I don't know what this even means. a money sign profile. What symbols are used in PowerShell? Ooh, question mark. So yeah, the pipe sends output from one command into another. Oh, so it'll get a process. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is a variable. Make like a cool stuff equals to me. Oh no, you can't really do that. Cool stuff. If we do that, it won't do anything. So if I make notepad cool stuff, what if I change this to something else? Wait a minute, I want to learn this first. I want to learn this thing first. What is that called? Sub-expression. So what if I did Nia? If I did hashtag cool stuff. Oh no, echo cool stuff. Cool stuff. Oh, echo hashtag cool stuff. Nothing happens. Fuck. So it was like function cool stuff. And then it was this, I think, or this. Yeah, I think it was this. How many spaces is inside of function? 4 spaces. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And type it. And echo cool stuff. And then we do this. Maybe that's how it works. So cool stuff. No, cool stuff. Oh, bruh. So function cool. So if I just write this, and spaces are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I save this, I'm talking cool. No. If I restart the terminal, and I'm type cool. Cool stuff. Let's go. It works. But I wanted to make it on my own. I want to make this function thing on my own. Let's do function pineapple. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then type echo hello. Wait. If I do echo hello, it'll echo hello. So that should work. So let's restart the terminal. Oh, so this doesn't work because with PowerShell, Microsoft, and PS1, characters 19, function pineapple, missing function body, function declaration, unexpected token in, oh, cool stuff. Let's see. This, pineapple, there's this thing, and at the end is that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. And if I do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so there's just an extra space, I think. So now if I save it, restart the terminal, new pineapple. Hello! We did it. We just made a function. So let's open Notepad. Let's add this. Make a function. W. That's awesome. Alright, that's probably all I'm probably gonna do now. The Windows PowerShell is awesome. The PowerShell itself is awesome, but the terminal, you can do more stuff. But yeah, that's the video. I hope you guys liked it. And thanks for watching. Bye!